Greetings from eSwatch. eSwatch is an end-to-end fully integrated waste management company. India generates 62 million metric tons of waste annually with an year-on-year growth of 4 to 5%. As per the Center of Science and Environment, every day 1.6 lakh tons of waste gets collected and only 33% of the waste gets treated. The rest of the waste reaches landfills. This has led to creation of huge mountains of waste hills next to every major city. To solve the problem of waste management, we need to have end-to-end integrated waste management system through which the entire life cycle and processing of the waste can be captured. This will help in identification of real challenges and solutions to them. eSwatch caters to collection, logistic, segregation, processing, composting, packaging, and sales of the byproduct from waste.
Wet waste comprises of 50 to 60% of the waste. So practically, if we take care of that, then we are left with a smaller problem, which is very easy to solve. We have perfected the wet waste processing and have worked on the microbiology to convert the wet waste into high quality manure. Our patented composting process is natural, odorless, and takes only 15 days to compost. We already have set up plants in Gurugram and Faridabad of capacity ranging from 1 ton per day to 10 tons per day. Manure produced by our plants have been liked by farmers and garden lovers at the same time.
Technology is playing very important role in changing the behavior of the citizens. Our technology enables residents to get real-time location of the waste collectors and the status of the waste collection and segregation through their mobile notifications and SMSs. We have developed contactless segregated waste collection management system which helps to get the behavior of the residents changed in record 1 month time and getting segregated waste from 95% of the residents. We have developed and patented an ERP system which keeps track of the daily waste provided by the residents and how the aggregated waste got treated at the different waste processing units.
In an end-to-end integrated waste management system, the first step is waste collection, in which all households, offices, and shops are tracked for segregated waste generation. In case of violation by citizens, notice and challans are sent to them. Post collection of waste, the entire life cycle of the waste is tracked and logged to ensure 100% of the waste has the audit trail of how, when, who recycled, reused, recovered, and composted. All the agencies responsible for waste processing are part of it and log the data about the source and consumer of the byproducts. eSwatch is the first company in India to implement contactless segregated waste collection management system. Under this system, QR codes are deployed for every household and lane which is further geotagged. Before the arrival, multiple mobile notifications are sent to the residents regarding the van location, like when the van arrives in the locality, when the van arrives at the lane, when the waste from previous house has been picked. Multiple location-based notifications and SMS are sent to the resident, which enables the resident to know where is the van and how much time it is going to take to reach his house. Like other service providers like Domino's and Amazon Delivery, once the van arrives, the resident can put the waste into the van directly, avoiding contact with the driver or waste collector. Collector does not need to press the bell button or get in touch with any surface of the household. Thus, we have made this product contactless. Our system is compatible with QR tags, RFID tags, and other IoT sensors, which allows the identification and geolocation. Once the waste is collected, driver marks the status of waste provided by the resident. Driver can choose from 4 kinds of status: got segregated waste, got mixed waste, no waste, home locked. As the driver marks the status, residents get notification on the same, and in case of dispute, he can escalate it by rejecting the status on his mobile. This closes all kinds of challenges regarding waste collection, and we start getting segregated waste at source. Segregated wet waste is sent to Eswach composting plant, unloaded, then last mile segregation of any impurities like small plastic, metal, glass is done. Then sawdust and serum is added to the wet waste. Then the wet waste is shredded and then stored in pits or vertical bins for decomposing. It takes 15 days to decompose to high quality manure and remove moisture. The manure produced is then sieved in 4 millimeter size and packed into bags. We have named our manure brand as Rocket Manure. Packed manure is then sent for sale back to the residents and neighboring farmers, which results in creation of a circular economy. Rocket Manure is now available in the marketplace from last 1 year, and we have received testimonials from our patrons who found the Rocket Manure very effective and easy to use. Rocket Manure helps in increasing the soil texture, improves NPK ratio, gives faster germination and fruitification. Since it is free from any chemicals, pathogens, once rocket manure is used for 2 years, the soil can be certified as organic, giving more revenue to farmers.